Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the August 7th trading session. Economic calendar's in front of you, but really there's only one thing to pay attention to, and that is going to be non-farm payroll. Everything else takes a back seat on these days. And with that, we'll take a look at the US dollar and the stock markets in America. Looking at the S&P 500, we did fall quite a bit during the session on Thursday, but quite frankly, we're starting to head into a cluster all the way down to 2050 that should cause support. What we would like to see is some type of knee-jerk reaction to the downside and then a slowing of that motion as soon as we get it. We're call buyers because we recognize the market has an uptrend to it. It's a grind. It's not an easy uptrend, but anytime we get a little bit too far in one direction or the other, the market does tend to turn back around. So we're looking for supportive candles in order to buy calls at the moment. Euro dollar should remain stuck in a consolidation between 108 and 112. So if we get a pullback to the 108 level, there should be buyers there. Should be enough support to start buying calls. If we get a little bit too high, maybe around 111 or so, is really when we start to see trouble. We'd be buyers of puts. Knee-jerk reactions are common to this employment number, and anticipated to be in 220,000 for the month of July. If we get too far on one side or the other, we'll get a significant move. But truthfully, most of the time we get something like 225. The market suddenly starts falling drastically in favor of the US dollar. People think better of it, and then they turn back around. It's pretty volatile. It isn't rare to see a basically unchanged day, so we're just going to play knee-jerk reactions in the opposite direction. Light sweet crude continues to get pummeled as we are now breaking down and pretty much nothing stopping us from hitting $42 at this point. We think short-term rallies continue to be selling opportunities, and we will use them as such. We will buy puts every time we rally on a short-term chart in order to aim for the 42 region. With that, we've taken a look at the upcoming August 7th trading session.
This review was brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.